Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to make a cucumber and willow bark micellar cleanser. Before we get started, y'all say hi to Parker. He will be compounding for you today. Before he starts, he will be sanitizing and disinfecting all our equipment and the packaging containers. I cannot stress enough the importance of sanitizing everything when making products. It is crucial to prevent contamination and ensure product safety. It helps to eliminate harmful bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms that can spoil the products or cause skin infections. Proper disinfection maintains the integrity and efficacy of the ingredients and ensures that they are safe for consumer use. While you're gathering up your ingredients needed to make this, let's talk just for a few seconds about what a micellar cleanser is. A micellar cleanser functions as a gentle yet effective hydrating cleanser that does not require rinsing. This type of facial cleanser uses micelles, which are tiny lipid molecules suspended in water, to effectively cleanse the skin. Micelles attract dirt, oil, and makeup, removing impurities from the skin without the need for harsh rubbing. Getting started, you're going to make sure that all your equipment has been disinfected and it's ready to go. We're going to start off by adding 0.2 ounces of cucumber water natural fragrance oil. And this particular oil comes from brambleberry. Natural fragrance oils are created from isolates found in essential oils. Isolates are single chemical compounds that have been separated from the essential oil, and by combining these isolates in various ways, a wide range of entirely new aromas can be created. Natural fragrance oils do not contain synthetic ingredients or chemicals, which makes them a popular choice for people seeking a more natural and eco-friendly option for personal care products. They can provide a range of scents from floral and citrus to woody and herbal. Our next ingredient is Polysorbate 80, and we are going to add 0.2 ounces. Polysorbate 80 is a non-ionic surfactant and emulsifier often used in cosmetics to help mix ingredients that typically do not blend well together, such as oil and water. It's derived from sorbitol and oleic acid, which is a fatty acid found in animal and vegetable fat. We're going to add 2.55 ounces of Propanediol 1,3. Propanediol is a natural green alternative to propylene glycol. It's used as both a humectant and a skin conditioner, a preservative booster, and solvent. When combined with glycerin, Propanediol shows a synergistic effect that reduces the tackiness of glycerin. We're going to go ahead and take this off the scale, and we're going to combine these ingredients until everything is mixed very, very well. After you have combined all these ingredients, go ahead and pop it back on the scale. We're going to add 19.92 ounces of distilled water, followed by 1.27 ounces of vegetable glycerin. Following the vegetable glycerin, add 0.27 ounces of willow bark extract. Willow bark extract is derived from the bark of the willow tree, specifically from several species within the genus Salix. The most common sources are Salix alba, the white willow, Salix nigra, the black willow, and Salix purpurea, the purple willow. The bark is harvested, dried, and then processed to extract the active compounds, primarily salicin, which has anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Thanks to its salicin content, which is similar to salicylic acid, willow bark extract can be beneficial for those suffering with acne. It helps exfoliate the skin and unclog pores, reduces redness and inflammation associated with acne, helps reduce the bacteria on the skin that can contribute to acne, and helps regulate oil production, reducing the likelihood of breakouts. The surfactant, or the cleansing ingredient that we're going to be using for this micellar cleanser, is cocamidal propylbutane, and you're going to add 0.25 ounces. The last two ingredients we'll be adding will be 0.27 ounces of our preservative, and we have chosen Optifin Plus for this formulation, followed by 2.56 ounces of cucumber hydrosol. Now that we have all ingredients added, we're going to go ahead for a final mix, and we're just going to make sure that everything is well combined. I'd like to take a minute while we're getting this all mixed up and just say thank you if you're still with us. Also, in the comment section below, if you could leave me some feedback about if you like the detail that's been put into the videos, if you like the extra information on the ingredients and what their functions are. let me know. Also, let me know if you have any other videos that you would like to see us make. It's time to go ahead and get this packaged up. We have some push-down pump dispensers, which are really easy to use. You just flip the cap open, take your cotton pad, push down on the pump, and soak your cotton pad, wipe it across your face, and you are done. We're going to put 6.8 ounces by weight into each container. Now, ounces are different than fluid ounces. This comes to be about 6.5 fluid ounces. Ounces are a weight measurement, and fluid ounces are a volume measurement. And whenever you're packaging and selling liquid ingredients, the package has to have the fluid ounces and the milliliters listed on the label. Once you have all your bottles filled, you can just screw the cap on and you are done. Be sure to join us for our part 2 in our micellar series, where we're going to show you how to make a rose and collagen micellar cleanser. Before you leave, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you can get notified about all future videos and tutorials. Until next time, be blessed.